big blow for Connie Ferguson as court rules against her. Connie Ferguson is embroiled in a case of someone stole my look with cosmetic giant Nivea and her business partner Joseph Nchabeleng. Recently, the Supreme Court of Appeal ruled in favor of Nivea owners, Beiersdorf Group. Here's the 411 on their case. Connie's company Koni International Brands landed itself in hot water in 2017 after it was accused of stealing beauty care giant Nivea's packaging on their collection of men's body care product Koni. Connie's company was then ordered to remove their products and pay for legal fees. After an ongoing legal battle between the two companies, Judge Denise Fisher of the Johannesburg High Court ruled in favor of Beiersdorf in 2018. Given the similarities between the appellants and respondents' products, the inference is inescapable that the appellant's logo is an appropriation of the Nivea Men Wave label initial on the same kind of product, so as to connect it to a known and established brand, reads the judgment. This is buttressed by the fact that the appellant's logo on its Connie Men Shower Gel is strikingly different from its logo used on the Connie Women brand, which bears a picture of Ms. Constance Ferguson. Further, and unlike the Connie Women brand, there is nothing on the Connie Men range that indicates any association with Ms. Constance Ferguson.